My name is Sania and I have implemented Turing machine. My theme for Turing machine is Toffee Crush. I have designed the theme in Unity and did coding in Visual Studio. My level is Sania. My language is A power n, B power n, A power j, I is less than equal to j and j is less than equal to n. It means that number of A power n, number of B power n is greater and equal to number of A power j. This language is not context-free and this language is not regular. Let me show it to you. For example, I have entered string A, B, A. Now, this last A must be, at least one A should be there in the end. When all A, B and A will be converted into empty one, then animation will be displayed. Start. You can see that whole number of A, B and A in the string are converted into empty one and the animation is displayed. Let me show it for rejected one. Now I have entered A, B. Now last A is not written in the string, so animation will not be displayed for accepted one. The animation for rejected one will be displayed because there must be single A in the end. Start. All number of A and B are not converted into empty one and the animation for rejected one will be displayed. Thank you.